We are still looking at curved text. I have drawn my ellipse and I have also selected it. So I will come at the top and change my shape to path. And then I will come and select the text tool. So I will drag my cursor close to the edge and then click. Once I am done, I will input my text, quality graphics, and that is okay. And then I will come and choose the path selection tool and bring my cursor close to my ellipse and click. So once that is done, I will drag my cursor up to left click and drag up to that point. That is okay. And then I will choose the text selection tool and click on align center, and that is fine. But because I don't want my text to be close to my ellipse, I will click on Control T. And then once that is done, I will come and click on Shift, Alt, and left click without leaving. And then I will drag my text as I watch. That is okay. Once I am done, I will commit. So I want to write a text at the bottom of my ellipse. So I will duplicate my work. I will press Ctrl J. And then once that is done, I will come and hide the original text. So I will then come and choose the path selection tool and bring my cursor close to the edge. And then once that is done, I will come and I will drag my text. I will drag as I watch my work. I will drag up to that point. That is okay. And then I will come this other end, left click and drag. You left click and drag as you watch your work. You left click and drag up to that end. That is okay. And then I will bring my cursor to this point. I will left click and drag inwards. That is okay. So once I am done, I will come and enable my text. So I want to position my lower text so that they can be in shape and align with the upper text for me to input a text on the lower side. So I will click on Ctrl T with the lower text selected, and then I will come and press on Shift, Alt, and left button, and then I will drag as I watch my circle for it to cover the top image. And then once that is done, I will come and commit. And then I will come and select the text tool. Then I will come and input my text. So I will remove the duplicated text so that I can input the text that I want to write at the bottom. So I will remove the bottom text, and then I will write home of graphics. And then I am done. I will come and commit. So that is how you input text, curved text, to your shapes. You can play around with this text to design something beautiful.